An EID file contains digital identity information from Belgium's electronic identity card system. Citizen data read from the nation's EID smart cards. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you read or troubleshoot these electronic identity data files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium EID file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. EID files contain digital identity data from Belgian electronic identity cards, including certificate information, personal data references, and authentication credentials used for secure online identification and digital signature operations within Belgium's EID infrastructure. Belgian EID files use a structured format storing X509 digital certificates, identity data pointers, and authentication challenge response data. They interface with the Belgian eID Middleware, which communicates with the smart card reader to access card-stored personal information. Official support for EID is primarily provided through EID software from Belgian government, FPS policy, and support. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. To guarantee file access, right-click your EID file and select Open With. If EID software is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. When your EID file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This format is tricky. Since the EID file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, reading EID data. Install the Belgian eID Middleware from EID Belgium BE and connect a compatible smart card reader. Insert your EID card and the middleware will read the card data. Use the EID Viewer application to display your personal information certificates and card status. Next, using for digital signatures. Configure your web browser to use the Belgian eID Middleware for digital signature operations. In Belgium's tax on web and government portals, the EID provides secure authentication. Ensure the middleware and browser plugin are updated for compatibility with government services. Finally, troubleshooting card reading. If the EID card is not detected, verify the smart card reader is properly connected and recognized by your computer. Reinstall the Belgian eID middleware from the official website. Check Device Manager for smart card reader driver issues and update drivers if necessary. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.